In today's digital and fast-paced world, we all spend too much time on our screens. But do you know that there are some digital well-being tools on your Android that can help you manage your time better? Digital Wellbeing Dashboard. Once you open the Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls option, you see all the apps you open, the screen time they took, number of notifications they send, and number of times the apps have been opened. You can get the complete information of how much of your time each app is taking and plan your goals to cut down the time accordingly. App limits. In the Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls options, you can see which apps and sites take up most of your screen time and set daily limits. Once you hit the time limit, those apps and sites will pause and you will receive a notification that you have reached the limit. To set the app limit, go to Settings, then go to the Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls option, then select App Limits and then select the app for which you want to set the limit and the time limit you want to set. Bedtime mode. The bedtime mode helps you reduce interruptions during your sleep time. It silences calls and other notifications, dims the wallpaper and changes the screen to black and white. Only alarms and important calls will reach you. To set the bedtime, open the clock app, tap bedtime. On the schedule card, tap the time under bedtime. Set a bedtime and the days to use your bedtime routine. Select any of the following options. Reminder notification, which sets a bedtime reminder, and bedtime mode. At bedtime, it silences the phone and removes the screen's color. To set wake up time, tap the time under wake up, set a wake up time and the days to use your wake up alarm. Select any of the following options. Sunrise alarm, sound and vibrate. Sunrise alarm slowly brightens your screen 15 minutes before your alarm starts. With sound, you can choose your alarm sound, and vibrate to turn on vibration for the alarm. Focus mode. With focus mode, you can pause distracting apps and hide their notifications and stay focused on the task at hand. To turn on focus mode, open Settings on your phone, go to Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls, tap Focus Mode, select the apps you want to pause and tap Turn on to activate focus mode. Do not disturb. This allows you to silence notifications, calls and other distractions. If you are a Pixel phone owner, you can turn on Do Not Disturb by placing your phone face down on a flat surface. With this feature, just a flip is what it takes. To enable it, go to Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls and scroll down to find the Flip to option. Now enable it. That's all in this video. Hope you find these tools useful. So stay tuned to Gadgets 360 for more such useful information.